Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. Asian markets are higher. There is a bullish momentum everywhere. Crude is higher, gold is higher, silver is higher. Silver and gold both hit fresh all-time high in international markets. Cryptos are also higher. US futures are higher. So maybe the Santa Claus rally is coming to the markets. Gift Nifty indicating about a 130 point gap up. So that's a big gap up. And this is exactly opposite to what has happened for the last few weeks. Last few weeks, what happened? On Friday, markets closed with a lot of optimism. Monday and Tuesday, the markets came down drastically. A lot of option sellers were in trouble. A lot of the put option sellers were in trouble. Looks like today, maybe it is a time for call option sellers to be in trouble today due to this big gap up. Infosys settled with 500% higher on Friday in US market, but we do not know how much this Infosys and TCS is going to go up today, given the optimism around this Accenture results and the short covering, short squeeze in US and those kind of things. So overall, there is some good sign that Nifty is likely to open as well as likely to close firmly above 26,000. So that is a something good one. But however, we have to remember that what has actually happened in US on Friday with respect to Infosys shares, there is no material change in the stock. There is no material change. Earlier, if Accenture results are good, people usually assume that Infosys and TCS results will be good. But however, this time, the story is different. Okay, the Trump's H-1B visa, $1 lakh fees, so those kind of things are not there for Accenture. So it's an US-based company. I mean, all those kind of things will apply to Infosys and TCS. So until there is a clear trade deal between India and US, so these IT stocks may have some problems one or the other way by this Trump administration. So therefore, we cannot be too much enthusiastic. Remember, some of the IT stocks have already shot up more than 10%. The TCS, for example, from the recent low of 2,950, it has gone up to 3,300 plus. So therefore, it is time to be cautious on IT stocks until the US trade deal happens. So otherwise, sometimes if the overall sentiment is good, if every stock go up by 1 or 2 rupees, 5 rupees or 10 rupees also, the Nifty can go up by 100 to 150 points. Because like 130 point is still, around 0.5% rally only, right? But if you look at the Japanese market, going up 2-3% or coming down 2-3% is so common in Japanese market. So overall, now the market is turning bullish. I think after 2 or 3 weeks, call sellers are in trouble. So either they have to run for cover in the morning itself, then aggressive selling may happen at 26,000 this time. So last 2 times aggressive selling happened at 26,000, but still market closed below 26,000 only for the last 2 weeks. But this time the story may be opposite. So otherwise, stock specific, we can see ICICI Bank was down on Friday here, but ADR it was higher. So the banking stocks, IT stocks, and Reliance as usual. There's a broad-based rally on mid-cap and small-cap stocks on last Friday. So we need to continue because, this mid-cap and small-cap, I think December is one of the worst performance. So that may be, maybe getting a little bit corrected on the higher side. So with the hope of some new year rally. Usually in our market, in the month of January, if the markets are good, so it's likely to be good for the rest of the year. So with that hope, people are like covering their shorts a little bit. So that's what I'm thinking. So let us see what is going to happen today. Otherwise, China interest rate decision, they left the interest rate unchanged despite the weak economic data. So, there's nothing, really very important, right? These data are totally irrelevant as far as our market is concerned, actually. So, if the bulls will be winning if Nifty opens about 26,000 and closes about 26,000. So, if Nifty closes about 26,000, so it's time to be bullish. But again, it is going to be the same old story of 25,700 to 26,300 for today and tomorrow, 25,500 to 26,500 for the rest of the series. Rest of the series, after tomorrow's expiry, there are only 4 more trading sessions. So not likely to make a big move. So any big move happens, either Trump US trade deal must happen or the budget must have some good element. So regarding the budget, I'll come out with a separate video. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.